everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So let's get into it. In Instagram, you must search someone or find someone by their name of their Instagram profile. But if you don't have their name, you might go to some posts that in which they are tagged in. If you get those posts, you can just, if you tap on it, you can see sometimes they are tagged on those photos and their names are also shown, and you can take those names and you can find them also. And if they are not tagged in those photos, all you have to do is search in the followers of that specific person's profile. You might get their profile name in their followers or following section, and by that you can get their profile name and find them. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.